All right, good evening. Welcome back. I'm here with Nikki, and we're talking small business. The topic tonight is passion won't pay your bills in the age of AI. So, Nikki, we've had a great conversation. We've covered so much wonderful stuff, but what are the most important things that people should take away from what we discussed tonight?
Well, I'll share the three key things to winning in the AI age and really capitalizing on all the opportunities available. Number one, be an explorer. Don't be so attached to your expertise or your passion or the things that your business did in the past. Be willing to learn, be curious and humble, and be an explorer that's taking risks, that is leading with curiosity and diving into this whole new world of infinite intelligence available to all of us. Number two, double down on your zone of genius. Amplify that part because what makes you different is what makes you valuable. So rather than trying to compete with AI, think about how you can amplify what makes you truly special and lead with that. And number three, reinvent continuously. This is not a time to be a bystander and wait for someone to tell you what you need to change. Turn AI into the competitive advantage of your business. Do it before somebody else can do what your business is offering, and leverage AI to reinvent continuously. Let go of the old playbooks. Don't worry about the sunk cost. Focus looking forward and stay agile and keep working on your business and make AI that unfair advantage.